Hey, it's Sam and Lucas with FasterFreedom.
We're about to take you guys through our most recent rental purchase that we've actually never been in.
We've never been inside this one. We bought this one off pictures at a wholesaler we trusted, so we got in for the first time this morning, met our contractor there. Let's show you guys the inside. As you notice, the outside of the house is a beautiful mustard yellow. We do plan to paint that gray. It's in great shape, but it's the first thing that you notice when you look at the house. It's not the prettiest.
As you can see, why we bought this house at a deep discount. Pretty much everything needs rehabbed on the house.
As we said earlier, we bought this just from pictures. We got in it earlier, a little bit before we started shooting, to actually be in the house physically for the first time. The reason we bought it from a wholesaler is we have a great relationship with him. We bought houses from him before. We have about 75 pictures to look at. We trust and respect his opinion. And this is a hot area. This is St. Peter's in the St. Louis metro area. This is a hot area that if you don't, say you're going to pay full asking price on a house, if it's a good deal like that, it's going to get taken up by somebody else.
So we purchased this house for $89,000. We plan to put a little over $20,000 in the rehab, and it'll be worth about $145 when it's done. We'll probably rent this thing out for, what do you think, $1,400 bucks?
$1,500. So it's going to be a nice house. When we're done with it, it's going to be really nice. So we're going to have some nicer finishes that we're going to put in this thing, more retail type finishes, granite countertops, things like that we'll get into. But this is going to be a really nice house when we're done with it. We're going to show you guys a video during the rehab and at the end, so you're going to kind of see the whole process of us rehabbing a house. So it's going to be pretty exciting. So starting with the basics, the flooring. There's a couple different types of floors in here. There's carpet and some older laminate. We're going to tear all that out and replace that with this nice gray luxury vinyl planking throughout the whole house. We're going to paint all the walls, get rid of the smoke smell, paint the ceilings, put some new trim up, replace electrical outlets. The windows are in good shape. They're a little bit older vinyl, but we're just going to clean them. We don't need to do anything with those.
So Sam was in the living room, and you can see how nice and open it is and flows into the kitchen. And I'm about to give you our rehab game plan for the kitchen. All right, as you can see, these cabinets are in pretty good shape, so we'll probably keep just kidding. We're going to replace this whole kitchen. It's going to stay a similar layout with the stove being over here, the dishwasher here. We'll put a microwave above the stove, the sink here, and the fridge on this side. So we're going to put 42-inch gray new cabinets all the way up to the ceiling for our uppers. For our base cabinets, it'll be the same gray. We're going to do granite countertops in here. As Sam mentioned earlier, it's in St. Peter's, Missouri, so the rent's fairly high for this area, so we want to have nice finishes. And then we'll do a subway tile backsplash throughout the whole kitchen. All right, guys, this house has 3 bedrooms. Come take a look at them. So this is bedroom number 1, and we're going to talk about the doors in this bedroom. It's the biggest bedroom of the 3, and as you can see, it's got some flimsy plastic closet doors. Very flimsy, if Sam can rip them off. So we're going to put some either bifold doors or some bypass doors for our closet doors here. The other doors, actually entry doors to the room, are nice 6 panels, so we're just going to replace the hardware on these doors. Come with us to bedroom number 2.
All right, in this bedroom, we're going to talk about the lights. All 3 bedrooms are wired and braced for fans. This bedroom does not have a fan in it. However, in our rentals, we like to have dolly lights. We don't like to have fans. That's just another maintenance thing that can go wrong. If a tenant wants to pay for it, we've had that happen a couple times where a tenant has paid for us to install fans. But for the most part, we like to put dolly lights in there. All right, let's head over to bedroom number 3.
So for our paint color scheme, we like white ceilings, flat, amazing gray walls, flat as well, so it's easy to touch up, and then semi-gloss white for all the trim and baseboards.
We like to use the same color scheme in all our rentals, so we don't have to have an organized paint cans in our closets. This rental goes with this paint color, this rental goes with that paint color. We like to have the same paint color in all our houses, and that amazing gray that Luke talked about is a great color that it goes with Oil Rub's bronze finishes and it goes with brushed nickel finishes. So we can kind of have that, and no matter what kind of finishes we do, that's a great color. All right, I'm gonna take you into the bathroom. As you can see, I'm in the bathroom. I'm standing in the bathtub. We are basically going to gut this entire bathroom. We are actually going to leave the tub base, but we're going to rip out the surround, put in a new single valve. We like to have 1 valve. It's less maintenance. It's updated plumbing. The 2 valve, this is probably in the 80s with the 2 valve. So you never know what's behind there. So we're going to rip out this entire tub surround, redo tile, the same vinyl planks and go on the floors as in the rest of the house. We're going to put a new toilet in, a new vanity, new light, new mirror, and we're probably going to have this same tile that's on the tub surround kind of go around half the bathroom. So it's going to be really nice. It's one bathroom in the house, so we want to make it really, really nice.
All right, guys, so we're in the hallway. The bathroom's right behind me. You just looked at that, and we're going to talk about what else is in the hallway here. So this house is on a slab, so the washer and dryer is in the hallway here. What we're going to do here is kind of update the plumbing, put a new washer box in there so we don't have any future leaks. Also, what's in the hallway is our HVAC and our water heater. So for the furnace, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. Same with the water heater. We will have professionals come over here and make sure they give us at least 5 to 7 years on the life expectancy of these two units. And if it's not at least 5 to 7 years, we'll go ahead and replace them so we don't have to come out of cash flow to replace these in the next 1, 2, 3 years. So this is the rehab game plan that we came up with our contractors this morning. We wrote a scope of work since then, and I will email that to my contractor, but we walked it in person before that. So we're on the same page with every little thing that needs to be done with this house.
Stay tuned for an update. We're going to give you guys an update as we go. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.
See you guys.
Lucas and Sam with Faster House here. We're not with Faster House. All right, I'll go. Lucas and Sam with FasterFreedom here. We just bought a rental property and we want to walk you through it.
Yep.